Namaste. Oh, very happy day, friends. Welcome back to Tarot Vibes. Today we are doing May month relationship reading. So we'll start sunshine wise. So here we begin for the very first sunshine, that is Aries. So for Aries, this month in the romance front or in the love front, you'll be a little lazy, you'll be postponing things, or might be you wouldn't be expressing your feelings just because you want to, but still you're lazy enough that you're like, okay, you're taking the other person for granted. So don't do that. Do your best, express yourself. That will help you build your relationship more better. Show the world the real you is the other card. So don't be fake in your relationship. Don't give those fake smiles. If it is worrying you, do let your partner know that you aren't doing good with them or they aren't doing good to you. So that was for Aries. The next sign is for Taurus. For Taurus, this month you did be worried about money. It's not that you don't have, but the money which you already have, you're worried about it. So in relationship, when it comes to spending part on you, you might be little worried of spending on the other person. So it is not that you don't have money, you have enough money. So be little open and be little big hearted and generous enough to spend a little on them. Nothing is yet set in stone is the other card. So it says there might be changes happening or there might be good things coming up in your relationship. Don't give up at this point of your relationship. The next thing is Gemini. So for people in Gemini, the female in the relationship would be ruling this relationship this month. So she might be a workaholic, but might be this time she would give you some time, and she might be the one who is going to help you with things this month. So emotionally she will be dominating this month. So it's a she card. So it's a woman who will be dominating this month. Confidence is your key to success is the other card. So if you are confident enough, then do make the first moves which are pending, or do get clear in your relationship, express yourself, whatever it is. If you're feeling bad, if you're feeling hurt, if you're feeling happy, do let the other person know, might be that helps you more. So the next card is for Cancer. So for people in Cancer, you have to work really hard to hold this relationship this month. Do your work, do bit by bit, do it very strategically or organized way. Might be you express your feeling, might be you do list of things to the other person so that they understand your emotions and your relationship towards them. What do you need to release is the other card. So might be there is some negativity in your relationship, or there is something which you need to tell the other person. So this is the right time, you should tell and let it go. Not the relationship, the topic part. Okay, so the next one is for Leo. So the persons in Leo this month might be in your relationship, you might have some health issues coming between you two, or the one partner in both of you would have some health issues. So do take care of your health, both of you, and stay safe. Don't let your past hold you back is the other card. So whatever past you have gone through doesn't mean the same thing would repeat now, or doesn't mean that time was nice and this isn't good, or you were always thinking of your past. So stop thinking of your past, be in the present, learn to live this relationship. That is going to help you more. The next thing, Virgo. So for people in Virgo, you're blindly worried in this relationship. I mean, there is no issue happening, nothing is happening. The sort of things are going inside your mind are so different from how the relationship is going on. You're just blindly worried for something, thinking this relationship would turn to the other way around, but there's nothing like that happening. It's just you who are blindly worried. So stop thinking too much and go ahead, it will help you. A win-win outcome is forecasted is your other card. So which means whatever situation it is, you will win and you will have this relationship by your side. Or whatever issues you have, don't worry, it's going to solve very soon. That's your other card. So that's for Virgo. The next one is Libra. So for people in Libra, there's a wait in this relationship. Might be you're waiting for some things to happen, some decisions to come true, or some travel plans to happen. Might be that would happen this month, or might be you see that person this month. Don't let pride get in your way is the other card. So don't be too proud in your relationship, or don't have that attitude of I'm doing everything, or it's just because of me things are happening. So don't get attitude in your relationship, that might ruin things. So that was for Libra. The next one is for Scorpio. So people born in Scorpio, this month is a blessed month for you. Whatever you think of, whatever you want from a relationship, or what kind of relationship you're looking for, might be you get it in this month. So as whole universe is with you, so I guess you choose and make the right decision. Bring love into the situation is your other card. So better be little caring, loving, and whenever there is an argument or anger coming up, I guess you should leave those things aside, those emotions, and put love into the situation and handle it very lovingly. That will help you more, and it will not create, the argument will not get more bigger. So that was for Scorpio. Next is for Sagittarius. So people in Sagittarius, you have a kind of party coming up with friends for your relationship. So there might be a little small celebration coming up if you're married. Then might be you have a baby shower coming up, or some functions which relate to happiness and party mode with friends is coming up. You're very close to achieving your goal is the other card. So whatever you thought of in this relationship, or whatever you planned as a relationship goal, might be that is going to fulfill very soon. So this is for Sagittarius. The next one is for Capricorns. So people born in Capricorn, you're a little immature at making decisions. You're a very creative person. Might be your creativity would hold your relationship strong, but you might tend to take a wrong decision or an immature decision which would not be a very fruitful one. So if you're on deciding something major on your relationship, don't do it this month, just wait for the next month. Surrender to the divine is your other card. So whatever you're doing, just think of the God whom you trust in, and then go ahead, or just leave your issues to the God whom you trust, and maybe he or she would handle it perfectly for you. So that was for Capricorns. Next is for Aquarius. So people in Aquarius, you're going to start with a new relationship, or you're planning to start something new in a relationship, or some new relationship this month. Before going into those relationships, do your research work properly. Is the person right? Is the person fit for you, or is the person good for you? Then move ahead. Might be there is a flaw in this upcoming new relationship. Nothing will come of this situation is the other card. So might be you're looking for a new relationship and you're going to go in, but nothing is going to happen in the situation. That relationship will not be a fruitful one. So better take care of it. The last card is for Pisceans. So people born in Pisces, here is your card. Some major issue is going to end in your relationship, or might be the relationship by itself would end, but there is a new thing coming up also. So if this particular relationship is ending, which also means there might be a new relationship, or if in a relationship there is something ending, some issues ending, there's a beautiful new thing going to be added into your relationship. So there is an end and a new beginning coming in this month. Prosperity lies ahead is your other card, so good things are coming your way. So stay happy, stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Hope this lockdown isn't affecting you too bad. Hope you all are doing emotionally well and with your families, staying happy and doing good. So stay blessed all of you. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching this video. Have a happy day.